is glad at the love and the unity that's growing in the saints. It's like a fire burning bright, and I gladly rejoice its light. And I'm longing for the unity He gives. It shows the world that our Redeemer lives. For our Savior bought us with His blood. And now He builds, yes, He builds us with His love. There's a light in the eastern sky, and I know it's the light of my King. Even now He's preparing His bride, and soon the wedding banquet will begin. And we're longing for the unity He gives. It shows the world that our Redeemer lives. For our Savior bought us with His blood. And now He builds, yes, He builds us with His love. Longing for the unity He gives. It shows the world that our Redeemer lives. For our Savior bought us with His blood. Now He builds, yes, He builds us with His love. And now He builds, yes, He builds us with His love. Now He builds, yes, He builds us. All that I can hold my heart and soul is only here in You. Land in You, the maker of my mind. And I know I will find a Savior and a King. You hold me by the hand, help me to believe more than I can see. And in You, You help me understand what is in Your plan. All that I could need is in You. Look into all that I could bring, and this offering is only here in You. All my life is caught up in Your fire, and all of my desire is only here in You. You hold me by the hand, help me to believe more than I can see. Land in You, You help me understand what is in Your plan. All that can see. And in you, you help me understand what is in your plan.